I'm going to continue my way working around the front of the Charade, cleaning and painting. I'm going to do this box section and also the engine bay side of this inner wing. I'll take the soundproofing off it, clean it up and treat it the same as we did on the passenger side in the last video. There's quite a few ancillaries on the front end of this car, so I'm going to actually start taking them off and putting them in a box so that I can find them all, because it would be a disaster if I can't find all these bits and pieces at the end. So we'll start. This is the assembly for the bonnet patch. And it's tight. This anti-roll bar and these little subframes definitely have to come off for a clean as well. That's a bit more positive than the last time. This pair of towing eyes has really been letting down the appearance of the front of the car. They're a little bit overkill having one on both sides, but they'd be a perfect mount for a sump guard if you needed one. Looking good. One little well here. So that's looking an awful lot smarter. The next thing I want to do is put a bit of a top coat on this crossmember box section. The body colour will come down about as far as here, so I'll mask this off and I'll spray this now, because I don't want to be doing any spraying after there's a permanent top coat on the car. We're after getting a few supplies here from mixedgarage.com, and in here I hope there is some tough paint. Yeah, so I have a Simonez satin black tough paint that I'm going to put on here. So I'll just mask that off, and that'll actually be a first bit of finishing paint on the car.